Shake Shack. Order online today.
So the first step from choosing a photo and turning out into a video, we're gonna choose a photo that we want to use. So I chose this photo. I took this with my Sony a6500. For the second step, we need to go and search on Google the AI website called Immersity AI. Then click on Immersity AI. Now you see a beautiful website and click on try now. Then you need to log in with your account, put your email address, and then you will see this exact screen. Make sure to use Google Chrome and not any other browser. Now we can upload from our computer the exact photo, or we can just drag the photo that we chose and put it right here. As you can see here, there are very different options here you can use. There's natural depth rendering, so this is a new one, and the 3.0 is a bit closer than the 4.0, and we're gonna use the 4.0. And here you can see you have different styles. You can choose whatever you want in order to create the best animation you want as a video. So we have here motion style and amount of motion. Notice that some of these settings are for pro and some are for free, and I'm gonna use only the free version, so you can use it either. Let's choose for now the best motion style that I think that can suit to this burger shot as a commercial. We have here vertical shot, horizontal shot, circle. I don't think circle works well. Perspective, I think it looks great because it looks very authentic. Zoom out. This is a dolly, which is like zoom in very, very slowly, and I think this is a very unique and creative shot. Zoom left, which I don't think is much necessary for this case. Zoom to the center, which is kind of cool. Zoom right, also I don't think. And we also have custom here, when you can just choose the exact position for the right, left, up, down, and the depth and everything. For now, I'm gonna choose the perspective one. After choosing the settings that you want, that you would like, go and click on export. Then you can see here that you have different kind of motions. You have GIF, with that we don't need because I want an MP4 because this is a video kind of type, or PNG, which is a photo type. And here you can see that there are different plus, which means pro versions. So I'm gonna choose the lowest quality, which is for free. Then we click on next. I'm gonna click on Immersity 4 because I want to remove and crop this mark. And then we click on export and we wait. Here's the final video. As you can see, the quality is not the best, but I think that we can get it better. So let's head to CapCut. You can use any kind of editing software that you want. I'm gonna use CapCut because it's very easy for me to use. So we're gonna put here the exact video and we want to cut the mark. So we're gonna click on here on crop ratio and we drag here and we're gonna crop. And here you can see the final result, and it looks pretty amazing, pretty cool, pretty awesome. I added to the video some layers, texts, and voiceover with AI and music, and this is how it turns out. Let's watch it.
Shake Shack. Order online today.
So guys, if you liked the video, please press the like button. I really appreciate it. It really helps me. If you want me to create more AI tutorials, please comment down what you want to watch, which kind of tutorial, and subscribe to my channel to see more of these kind of videos and tutorials. And have a great day.